Hi everyone, welcome back to another Sentry equipment video. We're doing an extreme flavor today. Some of you might disagree. This is going to be sugar-free cherry water ice. What's extreme about that? It'll drive sales. So it's a vocal minority. If you have like 12 or 16 flavors, 2 don't really sell that much. Get rid of them. Add something like this where we can, use Facebook, use social media, grab attention. If someone has dietary restrictions, young people, older people, someone who thinks they're being a little healthier by having sugar-free water ice, all good option, all could drive them in, add something for everyone. So let's get started on making that. What we need first is our sugar-free Italian ice base. We're using our B12V 12-quart machine. So we're going to use a half gallon of the sugar-free base. This can set you aside from your competition, like as your competition offering sugar-free. Well, if they're not, there's something that will set you aside and have you grab the customer who has maybe someone in their group or a group of people looking for a sugar-free option, but still the guilty pleasure of the Italian ice treat. We're going to start with 4 ounces of concentrated cherry flavoring. Grab all that in there. You paid for that whole gallon. Let's make sure we get every bit of flavor we need out of it. And we're going to add a little bit of water and then whisk this up. So we'll come over here, use our batch machine. Very handy feature of the B12V, we have the built-in hose right here for you. What I would like to do is just give it a little whisk. Now this isn't all the water we're going to be using. I just wanted to get everything mixed up in here. Smell that great cherry smell, and we're ready to pour it in. So like always, we want our safety bucket. I just sanitized our machine. We're ready to pour our water ice right in. We got a very large fill mouth, makes it easy just to pour any of our neat flavors in. Okay, just make sure we get all our cherry. All our cherry. Okay, now I want to take our fill hose. You see all the little residue, we're going to get that as well. Every bit of flavor goes right in. So what we're going to do with the fill mouth here is that crease right at the bottom. We're going to let our hose fill right until we see the water fill right about there. And that's where we want to be for the measurement of water in our machine. Again, this is a 12-quart model. So we'll let this fill up. Very convenient, this hose. Yeah, so it took about a minute or two to fill up here. And as you can see, we're about there. We'll fill it right as it fills that little crease. And we're good. Next thing we want to do is we're going to turn our dasher on. I'm going to mix everything up a little more. For water ice, we're going to set it to about 15. And depending on what batch you are on the day, it could take a little longer, it could take a little less. We'll start, turn our refrigeration on. Here's our compressor that shows that's on. I'm going to watch my viscosity for this. If you know what viscosity it is, you could always set it. I'm going to keep watching that. And we're going to put our RPMs to about 180. And in 15 minutes, we'll have some delicious sugar-free cherry water ice.